Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see liked post on Instagram. So let's get started. If you wish to check out all those posts that you had liked, then keep watching the video. First open Instagram app on your mobile device and log in to that account where you wish to see your liked posts. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap on three horizontal lines located at the top right side. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, tap on Interactions. This is the page where you can review and delete likes, comments and other interactions. Tap on Likes. And on the next screen, you can see all those posts that you had liked. So that is how you can see your liked post on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.